This is a Washita Oilstone. It is not lapped, but it's not far out on either side. This side you would have to give, if you wanted to use both sides, you would have to give it a nice chamfer after lapping because it has a small conchoidal fracture. This side needs to be chamfered anyway, and it just has minor fizzy chips. This stone is 7 15/16 of an inch by 2 1/32 of an inch by 15/16 of an inch. It is a specific gravity of 2.384, and that was calculated with the submersion method. So, given the grain of this, it's also, see if I can get it to work, it's also passing light reasonably well. Anyway, I'm never gonna get this. It's passing light well. I suspect this is a lily white that's been liberated from its label many, many moons ago. Apart from that, and the focus, there we go. That never works. There we go. Nice tight grain on this one. 2.384. Washita.